Okay, so here's a quick review for adding integers. First off, when you're adding integers with like signs, for instance, a positive plus positive or a negative plus negative, you will add the absolute values of the integers and then you keep the sign for your sum. So a positive gets you a positive and two negatives get you a negative. Next are when you're adding integers with unlike signs. For example, a negative with a positive and a positive with a negative. You find the difference between the absolute values of your addends, meaning you subtract, and you keep the sign of the addend further from 0. We're going to keep the sign of the addend with a greater absolute value. And there you go. Okay, so we're going to do 3 examples using the rules. No counters, no number lines, just using the rules. First of all, a positive 41 plus a negative 20. My signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. I'm going to find the difference between my absolute values. Absolute value of positive 41 is 41. Absolute value of negative 20 is 20. The difference between 41 and 20 is 21. Now I look at which number is further from 0. Positive 41 is further from 0 than negative 20. So our sum is going to be a positive sum. Next example, negative 63 plus a negative 14. Both of them are negative, so this time I add my absolute values. So a 63 plus a 14 is a 77, and since they're both negative, my sum is a negative 77. Final example, again, 2 integers with opposite signs, a negative 56 plus a positive 67. So signs are different, so we take the absolute values of 56 and 67, find their difference, which is 11, and since positive 67 is further from 0 than negative 56, my answer is a positive 11. How about we do one more example? Let's say a negative 145 plus a positive 21. Okay, again, signs are different. Find the absolute values. 145, 21, the difference is 124, and since a negative 145 is further from 0, our answer is a negative 124. Signs are the same, add the absolute values, keep the sign. Signs are different, find the difference between the absolute values, keep the sign of the number furthest from 0.